If you want to save money big time on your Iceland adventure, then listen up. We're introducing Guide to Iceland's VIP Club, your exclusive pass to unforgettable experiences and incredible savings across the land of fire and ice. The VIP Club is open and completely free for all Guide to Iceland customers. With the VIP Club, you'll enjoy amazing discounts at top restaurants, bars and shops. Imagine savoring Icelandic delicacies, sipping signature cocktails and shopping unique Icelandic products, all while saving money. From cozy bars to upscale dining and lively nightlife, the VIP Club gives you access to the best Iceland has to offer. And the best part, it's all at your fingertips. The VIP Club is open and completely free for all Guide to Iceland customers. This means that joining is super easy. The only thing you have to do is be one of our customers. As soon as you've purchased a tour, accommodation, experience or anything else on guidetoiceland.is, you'll be able to log into your customer profile and start exploring all the exclusive offers. Don't miss this opportunity to make your Icelandic adventure even more incredible and affordable. So start booking your trip with Guide to Iceland today, and when you arrive, you'll be a VIP. Head over to guidetoiceland.is to get started. See you out there, VIPs!